Hey you guys, welcome back to another video with Naturally D. So we are going to get right into this video. So here I am going to be showing you guys how I make my labels for my lip gloss tubes. I use my Cricut machine. If you guys are interested in the Cricut machine, please go watch my Cricut video. I will link it above so you guys could click on it, and I will link it down below so you guys could click on it at the end of watching this video. So here I am just looking for a font that I am going to use for my labels. So I do have a couple of labels above, and I was just testing it out. Here is a whole nother set of labels that I'm gonna do for you guys. So here I went into edit and I am just messing around with the letter spacing. I want to see how close I could get my letters together without it being blurry or without looking like a big blob. So here I go into action, and then I go into ungroup, and this is where I ungroup all of the letters. So here I could go in and space each one individually. So here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the letters as close as I can, again without making it blur together or into a big blob. And as you guys would probably see, I do struggle a little bit with this. You guys are going to see me zoom in and zoom out a lot. I zoom out so I could get a better perspective, and I zoom in so I could get a close-up of how close and how far it is from the other letters. So now that I feel like I'm done, I'm going to copy this whole thing and I'm going to group it again. And once I group it, I am going to change the color of the inside to a lighter color. And then I am going to weld this. The weld is in the actions. When I weld all of the letters together, all of the letters are connected, and this makes it easier for me to transfer the word from the paper to my container because all of the letters are connected. So here I am sizing my labels on how big I want them to be, and here I am copying all of my little labels, and I'm going to line them the way I would like them to be cut on the Cricut. So while I'm spacing my labels, I want to keep in mind that I want to stay in the dimensions of a 12 by 12 on the mat, because the blue mat that I will be showing you guys is 12 by 12. Okay, so now that we have everything set up for the Cricut to cut, now I'm going to cut my vinyl. So if you guys remember me saying I always wanted to kind of keep it in between 12 by 12 because the mat is 12 by 12. So this is how far it will go. Oops, I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, there it goes. And so it's a 12 by 12 mat. So, but when you're designing in Cricut, I want to say it goes up to like 24 or something like that. But if you do that, you're gonna need two mats. So of course I want to keep it in between 12 to 12. And so for this one, what I did was it was 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I want to cut a piece of paper that's 12 by 7. So pretty much this whole sheet, oh Lord have mercy. Oh Lord. This mat, you guys, is sticky, by the way. Okay, so about, okay. There. How about the knuckles? So now I have my little scraper and I am just going to make sure all on there nice and good. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, so now that I have this on, I am going to, I'm going to open this up. I'm gonna turn on my tablet, my iPad. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so now I'm going to load the mat in. I am going to push the little load button. And on my iPad, I am going to push continue. It's loading up. Material set to vinyl, so it's set to vinyl. Press go. Wait, yeah, there you go. And now I'm going to press the Cricut button, and now it's preparing. Okay, so this is how they came out. I will definitely do another video on how I weed these out and put them on my labels, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.